Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Teams and signing in with your work account. This ensures correct calendar access. Once done, go to Calendar and select New Meeting or, for a quick sync, use Meet Now inside a channel. Add a clear title, pick date and time, and invite attendees by typing names or emails. Make sure the online location reads Microsoft Teams or leave blank for channel meetings, and set recurrence if needed so everyone knows when to expect the session. Next, focus on details that shape participation and flow. You should open meeting options to decide who can bypass the lobby, who presents, and whether attendees can unmute. These choices prevent interruptions. Add a concise agenda and attach files or links in the description so people arrive prepared. Before sending, toggle recording and live captions if you need transcripts. Assign co-organizers or presenters explicitly to avoid last-minute permission delays, and then send the invite to when it's time, join promptly and run a quick pre-join check of microphone, camera, and speaker so audio issues don't waste time. You should start recording if needed, use meeting notes or OneNote to capture decisions, and assign action items in chat to keep accountability. As the host, end the meeting for everyone or leave, but make sure recording stops and files upload. If something breaks, check permissions first. If that fails, restart Teams or provide a phone dial-in as a reliable fallback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.